Everything is boding well for international travel. The airfares have leveled off so that it's appropriate, and I think it's competitive. I think geopolitical issues have sort of calmed down, so you don't see some of the craziness that was occurring. And I think people are just excited about being able to go to foreign destinations. When you leave your house on a vacation trip, no matter where you're going in the world, whether it's in the United States or abroad, you should have a layered protection policy with you to cover your investment. Travel protection kicks in before you even start your journey, your vacation. So if you get sick or an immediate family member gets sick, it covers you if you can't go on that trip. What about a hurricane? What about a volcano? Things like that start to fall into play before you go, and then obviously the coverage is there while you're on the trip as well. The place where you're going to could have been ravaged by the said storm, so insurance will kick in. What if the hotel that you were going to stay in is damaged because of a storm and you have to go to another hotel? There's an incurred cost in that. Travel protection also helps you out as well. We like to think about it as protecting an investment. When you're going to some of these international destinations, Africa as an example is not an inexpensive vacation. You're probably talking about $15,000. Basically, you're buying a car as an example on vacation. You want to protect that for every penny that it's worth. It's your money, it's your vacation time, it's your investment, it's your peace of mind. So that's why it's so important to align international travel with travel protection. So mostly a person will buy it for international travel. I mean, once you leave the country, your own insurances don't cover you. So the addition of travel protection just certifies the fact that you will be taken care of if you get ill or if there is an accident abroad. I never hear a person regretting it. I think what you hear is people regretting not buying it.
Why is that?
Because they probably ran into a situation that they didn't think would happen to them. Even something minimal like lost luggage, as an example, can be tremendously stressful for vacationing. So with travel protection, even for something simple like that, it kicks in. So the regret comes in when you're in the midst of a situation. I sprained my ankle in Greece, as an example. What do you do? The travel protection kicks in and helps you through situations like that. So I sprained my ankle, and now I have to go to a hospital in Athens. The hospital there will ask for payment up front for services. So a sprained ankle, a cast could cost anywhere between $5,000 to $10,000 as an example. You would have to prepay that with a credit card to be able to get services at a hospital. The changes because you are automatically in touch with the provider, and they will prepay the services to the hospital, so there's no out-of-pocket expense. Think about that. If you're going in for $120,000 worth of open heart surgery, the travel protection company will prepay the bill to the hospital that's in their network, obviously, to help you through that situation. When you start looking at the nuances involved with travel protection, it's not just that cancellation, give me my money back, or I broke my leg. There are other services that come into play that are very important. The AAA travel professional will walk you through that process and basically describe all the benefits because they're layered and they're many depending on the policy.